So investors are looking for signs that Trump's trade war is working. And one of the headlines recently that implied that came from Nvidia when they announced they were going to invest $500 billion in AI infrastructure in the United States. Now you could see that and say, see, this is the whole plan's working. But unfortunately, that's a bit of a stretch at this point. Nvidia may invest $500 billion over the coming years in the United States, but we don't know. It's not like it's happening all at once. And as we've seen recently, a lot can change in just a few months. Additionally, while Nvidia's investment in the United States and other companies' investments in the United States, should they occur, will be positive, the reality is that we won't feel those positives for years to come. Meanwhile, the negative impacts of the trade war are going to be felt in the immediate term today. So there's sort of like a timing gap, right, between changing the way everything was right now and hoping for further investment that actually comes through in the future. You know, the tariffs and the trade war have created a tremendous amount of uncertainty, and I get that investors want to look for headlines that show it's working and that it's going to be an economic boost. And there have been some, but in the case of Nvidia, it's more of a generic positive and not something that we should count on to be a sustainable bullish factor in the markets.